In this video, we will going to take up the one more concept on pretty printing. So as the name itself indicates, pretty printing means I want to have the display of my output in with a particular format. In how it will going to be different from print function, that we will going to check here. So now to do that, if you import the pprint module into your program, you will have to access the pprint function and pformat functions that will pretty print a dictionary's values. Basically, a pretty print will going to take only the dictionary values, and this is helpful when you want a cleaner display of the items in a dictionary than what print provides. The format, the coding will going to be import pprint. Then message, it was a bright cold day in April. So this is the message what I want to print. So the count will going to be exactly the working of this, which is already explained in my previous video, wherein first we are going to initialize the count as the null dictionary, and then we will going to take for character in message count set default the character comma 0 here if the character is existing, and it will going to take that particular character, and then that value which is going to consider as 0 initially, then count character will be equal to that count character which is 0 plus 1, it becomes 1 if it is existing. So again it is in the for loop, it goes for the entire text. So basically what it does is the text, that is the string value, is sliced and take individual character and starts counting the individual character one by one, and gives the final output in pprint.pprint format count. So what exactly it is doing is, here if you see, it starts with a space, then you have capital letters A to Z, then you have small letters A to Z, which will be in the ascending order. So this is how you will be able to write, or you will be able to read the pprint format text output, which will going to be useful and in a better readable format. So the pprint.pprint function is especially helpful when the dictionary itself contains the nested list or dictionaries. If you want to obtain prettified text as a string value, instead of displaying it on the screen, call pprint pformat function instead. These two lines are equivalent to each other. So now we will try to do this by using a simple program. So to do that, so first we will go for import pprint, then message. I will type the message here. It was a bright cold day. It was a bright cold day in April. Okay. Then I want to count. Initially I will going to have a null dictionary. Then for message, for character in message, for character in message, for character in message, then what we're going to get, count dot set default, okay, character comma 0, then count character equals count character plus 1, then you take pprint dot what is that, count. Now we will try to read this message. So if you do that, so you will going to get the format wherein you have a, first you are going to have a space, then it starts with A is here, but actually it starts with A, then it comes to T here, then small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. So this is how it becomes very easy to read a readable format. Suppose if I don't want to use the preprint, so suppose if I want to use just a just a print function, then see how it will going to work. So I will just give a print count. See the difference here. In the p print, what it does, it starts from the space, then it will take the uppercase letters from A to Z, then it will going to take the smaller case letters from A to Z. But if you feed the print count, if you see the output of the print count, so then you can see it start with wherever you have the starting character, from there it will going to start. First you have I, it will take, then you are going to have T, then it will take, then you have space, then W, then A, then S, this again you are going to have B, then after that you have R, then after that you have I, then you have G, then you have H. You observe here what I'm doing. Then T is already taken, then space is already there, C, O, then you have L, D, then space is already taken, D, A is already taken, Y, then space is already taken, I is also already taken, N, then space, capital A, then small p, R is already taken, I is already taken, and L is already taken. So this is how it starts with the message directly from where it will going to print. So this is how the manner in which your text matter has been given, the same way it will going to scan through and try to print the text matter. So this is the basic difference between the print function and pprint function in Python. The advantage of using the pprint format is that you will be able to get the output in a easy readable format, and it will follow a procedure of stating a space, then with capital E to Z, and then with small a to Z. This is how the pprint function works in Python. Thank you.